Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's IT security tip, you've been hacked. So what's the first thing you should do? No matter how diligent you are about security, there's always a chance that you can get hacked. That's why you need to put a plan in place now to protect yourself and your clients, so damage is minimized. But what should you do if you find out you've been hacked? First, contact your IT department or contact us immediately. The faster we can address the attack and determine the extent of the data, application, and machines being compromised, the better your chances of preventing much bigger problems. We'll go to work on containing the attack and conducting a full network scan. Based on what we discover, we may advise you to contact the local FBI office and your attorney. Your legal responsibilities depend greatly on the type of data accessed. For example, if medical, financial, or other confidential records were stolen or accessed, you are legally responsible for notifying affected individuals that their data has been compromised. Your attorney can best direct you on what you need to do and how to do it. Please click on the subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Have a safe day.